Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have been doing this for a little while now, but never actually made a proper introduction. So today we're going to cover that. Got the little pond behind me. So on this channel we're going to do a lot of truck stuff. Got the OBS Fords, Chevys, some square bodies, some dent sides. I like the old, I like the new. We like to build, improve, do some performance stuff, as we just did and covered on the Mustang here. Lots of videos on that one. We've got the Otow Pig Cummins. This doesn't look like much, but this is actually the Bronco. Lots of videos on that and lots more to come as we start to put that thing back together. So we also like to do a lot of videos on how-tos. So we did pretty good video on our artificial turf. Me and the son actually went through and laid that all down. So definitely, if you're interested in that, go check out that video. You can see that and a dog. Got a few how-tos on the OBS Power Stroke here. We did a intercooler setup on that. Put a really nice Phoenix Gold stereo system in it. So all those videos are in the channel. Wife's got a Beetle. Not going to get a whole lot of arguments out of me when it comes to Ford, Chevy, Dodge. I like them all. I don't have any in particular favorites. So you're going to see them all on this channel. Outside of the vehicles, my other hobby being fish. So look at the pond out front. This is the fish room. We've got the 240, 125, 300 gallon, 100 gallon horse trough with some koi in it. We've got some 37s down there. Still working on it, obviously. We're gonna move that down there, put some shelving right there so that we can get all this stuff organized a little bit better. We actually have some 29 gallons that are gonna go down there. So lots of future plans for this room also. Oh yeah, not good lighting. So that's the fish room. We definitely plan to extend that out. I would like to actually enclose this. Of course, move all this stuff and bring that out a little bit further. As I said, we got lots of plans, lots more videos to come. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future upcoming videos. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.